Hi, it's LeJanaro. Welcome back to my channel. I'd like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I wanted to show you all how I download, print, and store my printable stickers. And when I say store, I mean on my computer. So let's get started. So the first thing I do is I go to Etsy and I look under my purchases and I go to download the files for those purchases. So here are the two that I purchased. So I want to download and print these. These are from the Pink Planner shop. So I'm just going to go download files. And you have a message here from the shop owner. And these are the two files. I'm just going to hit download on both of them. Right, and you see it comes down here at the bottom. And they're PDF files, meaning that her file was too big to actually upload to Etsy, so she had to do a PDF with a link. Right, so once those finish downloading, I'm going to click on them so I can get the link to download the file. All right, so here's what the PDF looks like, and it has download link here, so you'll click that and it'll actually download the zip file that you need that has all of the files in them. So I'm going to go ahead. I always download the PNG, or actually I download everything. So I click there and I hit download. So it's going to do the zip file for me. All right, so the files are downloading here at the bottom, and once they finish, I'll come back and show you what I do next. All right, so I have one that's finished down here, so I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to open up the zip file for me. So you can extract the files, but usually what I do, I just click on it. I left click on it and I hit cut, and then I have a folder on my computer for all of the shops that I order from, and this one is the Pink Planner shop folder. So what I do is every time I buy a kit from her, I create a new folder inside of her folder. So I go to new, and I hit folder. Hopefully that'll come up. All right, it was acting up on me. So new folder, and whatever the name of the kit is, that's what I named the kit. So this one was Snow Days. I double click on the new folder and I just left click, or right click, I'm sorry, right click and hit paste. So over when I did the other one, right click, not left click. So it'll take some time to kind of move all the files over because it's moving over the PNG, the JPEG, and the silhouette files. So I'll come back once that's done. All right, so they finally did download into the folder I created. Extracting is faster, but when I extract files, they're still in the download folder, so I just want to take them completely out of the download folder, so the download folder will be empty. That's just my thought process. Might not be the right way, but that's how I do it. So here we go. If I double click on it, it has all three files, and you choose. If you're using Silhouette, you would use the cut files, but I'm using Cricut Design Space. So let me go to Cricut Design Space. Right, I'm going to hit New Project. And I'm going to go and find my file. So I'm going to hit Upload. upload image, browse. So wherever you saved your files, go to where you saved your files. Here's my Pink Planner Shop folder, and it's snow days that I'm doing, and I'm doing the PNG, and I have to upload all of these files, but unless I missed an update, Cricut Design Space will only let you upload one thing at a time. So I'm just going to click on the first one, click open, and it'll say, wow, this is large. And then I always hit complex and continue. And here I don't do anything. I make sure I don't do anything because you do not want to mess up your cut file. Here is if it had a white background on it, I would click here and remove the white background. But since it's a PNG, it has a transparent background, which is one of the things I love about Pink Planner Shop, Grand Plans, and Poly Plans. There's one other person that I order from on Etsy. I haven't ordered from them in a while, but they also have really good printable stickers. I want to say Romo's Plans. I want to say that's the name of the shop. But anyway, so I don't do anything here. I hit apply and continue. All right, then you want to make sure you click print, then cut image. Hit upload. All right, and it comes here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the files, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got all 6 on, so I'm just going to click on them. Got them all uploaded. So I'm just going to click on them and click add to canvas. Now, some shops like the Thanks Sis digital store that I order from, her PNGs are different sizes, and she does put that in the description of her listings. So always check to see if the shop has specific measurements that they want you to do the sticker sheets in. I haven't found that Pink Planner Shop has specific measurements. She just says, you know, the Cricut Design Space measurements are 6.75 by 9.25. So, all right, so I have them all on my canvas now, and of course they're huge. So what I do, I just click on each one individually. I put in the width, 6.75, and I just press enter, and whatever it defaults to in the height, I just leave it at that. And you know, my stickers, they tend to fit the planner pretty good. The width is a little bit smaller than the Erin Condren columns, but that's fine. All right, so I just click on each one, 6.75. And when you do this, make sure this is locked, because if it's not, you're going to have to change both sizes. If you want to do, like, let's say I wanted to do 6.75 by 9.25, then I would unlock this and I would type the 9.25 over in the height. But I usually just type in 6.75 and it just defaults to the height. So I'm going to save this. I always save it whatever the kit name is. Once it's saved, I hit make it. Now I need to turn my Cricut on because my Cricut is not on. All right, so you don't need your Cricut on to print, but you do, of course, need it on to actually cut the stickers. If you don't have it on, you'll get an error message. So it'll lay out everything, the different pages. I got all 6 of my pages. Hit continue. So here's where you would get the error message if your Cricut wasn't on. So while it's looking for my Cricut, I hit send to printer. And I print all of mine at the same time. I don't print one, then cut one, print one, cut one. I go ahead and print out all 6 of my pages, and then I cut them one at a time. All right, so if it comes up like this, don't panic. It's not going to print like that. So I don't add bleed. When I make my own printer stickers, I do add bleed because sometimes my Cricut cuts a little off even after I calibrate it. So when I do my own planner stickers, I do add the bleed. But with these, I don't necessarily have to. I do use my system dialog because I need to choose my printer. So I hit print. And let's see. And then I go into my preferences and make sure everything is right in my preferences. All right, this looks so different. Give me 1 second. Okay, so yours may look different. This looks way different from what it used to look like. I had to take my printer off and put it back on my computer. But I made sure I chose matte presentation paper, the best quality. And then grayscale is off because I want it to print color. Right, then I just hit print. Right, and here I set my base material. I use the Online Labels standard matte paper, and the best setting for the Cricut is the sticker paper removable. I have found that that is the best setting to get my Kiss Cut stickers. So I'm just going to print the rest of my pages, and once they print out, I let the Cricut do its thing, and then I have my planner stickers. All right, so if you have any questions for me, put them in the comments and I will answer them to the best of my ability. But that is how I download and store and print my printable stickers. All right, if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in the next one.